Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our San Francisco University. So let's get started. So to log into your San Francisco University, first of all you have to open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for San Francisco University login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which says login. And from here, to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on this login option which is on the top right corner of your screen. Or you can also select one of these options which you can find here. So if you want to log into your Canvas account, iLearn account, email, library account, you can select any one of these options. For example, if I would like to log into my library account, what I'll do is just tap on library account. And after tapping on library account, now what I have to do is just enter my email address. So you have to enter your San Francisco University's email address, and after entering that you can enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, you just have to tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So you can do that same with your some other options, like you can find your Canvas account, your iLearn account, email, SF, state password, reset. So you can also reset your account's password if you have forgotten that by tapping on SF state password reset, and this will give you an option to reset your account and then create a new password for your account. So you can just tap on this option if you have forgotten your account's password, or you can log into some other accounts that you can find here. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your San Francisco University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.